Have you received a notification that says your ability to send more units of this ASIN to Amazon has been limited and they won't let you send more inventory into Amazon? If so, I'm going to be showing you a workaround to that. And if you stay till the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you a tip on what to do to figure out when this notification ends. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So here's the notification right here. We tried to send an inventory in for one of our clients and it literally said, error, units of this ASIN had pending long-term storage fee charges and were removed before the LTSF charge. Your ability to send in more units of this ASIN has been limited, and pretty much they will not let you ship more inventory in, which is a huge pain. Even if you try to do loopholes, it's not working. But there is one way to do this, and it is Amazon AWD. So if you want to ship your inventory in, what you need to do is go into Amazon. You're going to go into inventory and you're going to go warehouse and distribution. And this is where you need to do and create a shipment. If you do it via Amazon AWD, it will work and you're able to replenish your shipment. So what happens is if you create your shipment just like you regularly do, and you ship it into Amazon warehouse and distribution, then you can click this button and you can move inventory. You can move inventory from the Amazon warehouse into the main Amazon fulfillment center. So Amazon will transfer it from here to here for you, and you will not be getting this error. Amazon wants to promote Amazon warehouse and distribution, and that's why a lot of these errors are popping up. And this is why the Amazon allows Amazon warehouse and distribution. Now, if you do that, you'll be good to go. I do have other videos on how to ship units into Amazon AWD. But if you already know how to ship Amazon units in, you should be good to go. And it's very easy to use this service, and it is cost effective. Next, for you to figure out when does this notification get removed. So this notification right here, when does it go away? Right? When can I actually just ship inventory into the regular warehouse? Well, my friend, you're going to have to contact Amazon. And that's exactly what we did for this client. We contacted Amazon and we said, look, we need to talk to your superior. Give us an exact date. And it was like November, it was like 90 days, November 10th from the initial notification. So they're like, November 10th, 2024, this notification will go away. So they give you an exact date. So what you need to do is just save this image whenever you get it, and then simply just open up a case with Amazon and say, hey, look, I received this image. Transfer me to the inventory team. This is what it says. Please tell me the exact date on when this notification will be removed from my account. They're able to go through and see. They just need to calculate 90 days from your last removal, and then that's the day that it will be removed. So that's it for today's video. If you did learn something new, please do contact EHP Consulting Group and we can help you sell on Amazon. Also drop a like and a subscribe because we're going to be launching a lot more great content for you and your Amazon journey. Talk to you soon.